everyone, and welcome back to another whole house clean with me video. Today we are going to be doing tons of cleaning throughout the whole house. Here I'm just giving you a quick little walkthrough, just showing you some of the mess in the house. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribed. It's completely free. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button down below and click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. I'm also over on Instagram, so if you have Instagram, you can head over there and follow me as well. So the very first thing that I did today was to go through the house and gather up all of the laundry and get the laundry started. I had a ton of laundry to do today. I gotten so far behind on it. I decided to do a little giveaway in this video for you guys, so I am giving away this set of 3 wool dryer balls and this lemon essential oil. Both of these are from Grove Collaborative. This is what I like to use in my dryer. It's an awesome combination. I like to sprinkle essential oil on these wool dryer balls and put them in the dryer instead of dryer sheets. So if you want to win this box of wool dryer balls and this lemon essential oil, it's super easy to enter. First off, you have to be sure that you're subscribed to my channel with the notification bell turned on, because this giveaway is only for my subscribers. And then just give this video a thumbs up and then leave me a comment down below this video. Your comment will be your entry into the giveaway. I will be running all of the comments through a random name picker online, so the winner will be random. Okay, so now back to the cleaning. The products that I'm using here in the washer are from Grove Collaborative. These are all Method products. It's the Method laundry soap, Method fabric softener, and the Method fragrance boosters, and those are all in the ginger mango scent. And trust me when I say the ginger mango scent smells amazing. Everybody who's ever used it always messages me and tells me how amazing it smells. And if you want to give Grove Collaborative a try, you can use my link down below to get a bunch of free items with your first order. So if you want to try out Grove Collaborative, definitely use my link and get those free items, and it's also a way that you can support me as well. Owen's new favorite thing to do lately is to help me make the bed by handing me all of the pillows to put on the bed. And what's funny is that I remember Kyle doing this exact same thing when he was right around Owen's age. And more as Owen gets older, I'm seeing him do things that I remember Kyle doing at that exact age. It's like a flashback to when Kyle was that little, so it feels like I'm just doing it all over again. Let me know down below if your kids did the same thing, like as they grow up, you see them doing the same things that their siblings did. Now I'm cleaning in my bathroom, and there I was using the Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner in the scent Wildflower, and this was my first time ever trying that, and it smells amazing and I really liked it, so I definitely give it a thumbs up. It's from Grove Collaborative if you want to give it a try. And then I'm using 7th generation wipes to wipe down the countertop and the toilet, and those are also from Grove Collaborative. You can pretty much assume that any cleaning product that I'm using in my videos is from Grove Collaborative because that's where I get all of my cleaning products. And I hope that this video can give you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration to clean your house, and you can feel free to clean right along with me, or if you just want to watch this video to give you the motivation and then clean afterwards. But if you enjoy cleaning along with me, this is a longer cleaning video. It's like almost 18 minutes long. But if that's still not enough time for you to be able to get all of your cleaning done, I always have my cleaning motivation playlist linked at the end of this video, and I'll also try to have it linked down below. It's over on my main channel page as well. If you click on that, you can play and watch through every single one of my cleaning videos that I've ever uploaded. So there's hours upon hours of cleaning motivation in there. You can just turn on that playlist and then just clean for hours on end, get as much cleaning done as you need to. So I want you to let me know down below, what's your favorite thing to listen to or watch to help your cleaning go by faster? Do you like to watch cleaning videos on YouTube? Do you like to listen to music, to sermons, podcasts? I usually listen to a variety of things, whether it be music or sermons, but lately my favorite thing to do while I'm washing the dishes is I will set my phone up behind the sink and I will go through and I will watch all of my favorite YouTubers' latest videos, whether that be vlogs or whatever it is, and it just really helps the dishes to go by faster, because when I have a giant pile of dishes like this, it can be really hard to get through them all. But here I wasn't watching any YouTube on my phone because I was filming this video, of course. lately I've been trying to not let myself pick up any of the toys every day. It's now the kids' responsibility. They have to pick up their own toys every single day, and it's just really hard some days when you just want to tidy up the house really fast and you just want to pick up the toys by yourself because it'll get done so much faster, but you just have to make them do it, especially now that Kyle's 5. He needs to have that responsibility. It's really good for them to learn to have that responsibility. And of course, I always made the boys pick up their own toys as soon as they were old enough to be able to, but you know, there's always just those days where you just clean it up yourself because you just want to get it done quickly. But I was saying that I'm trying to, it's been like for the last week, I haven't picked up any toys at all. I just always make them do it every single day. My laundry was done in the dryer, so I went ahead and got started on folding that. And if you've been noticing in a few of the clips in today's video, I've tried something different and I left in the sound for like when I was vacuuming or spraying the countertops, different things like that. You can let me know down below if you like that or if you don't like it. I was just trying something different, so I don't know if I'll do that in every single video. It's just fun to do something different every once in a while with these cleaning videos. Also, I've been getting some questions lately about that handheld vacuum that I was using on my couch, the white and black one. That one is called Homasy is the brand name for it. It's spelled Homasy, and that's off of Amazon. I have that linked in my Amazon storefront, as well as my mop and my vacuum, basically as many things as possible. I linked in that store. This vacuum here, the Tyneco, is the one I was talking about. I have that one linked in there as well. If you're wanting to support me or my channel and you're going to order one of those items, you can order them through my Amazon storefront link, and then I get a little bit of something back from that. And the link for my Amazon storefront is always down in the video description box. usually like to clean the filter on my vacuum at least once a week. I will just knock it out in the trash and get all of the excess dust off, and then I will take it to the sink and wash it all out. And then the last thing that I wanted to do today was to mop all of the wood floor, and I had to refill the container there on my mop, and I'm using Aunt Fanny's floor cleaner, and then you just fill it up the rest of the way with water. And that floor cleaner is from Grove Collaborative, and like I said, I have this mop also linked in my Amazon storefront. And that is going to be it for this cleaning video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and that it gave you that cleaning inspiration and motivation to get your house cleaned up. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to enter that giveaway. I will have the details for it typed up down below and also down in the comments. Just make sure that you're subscribed and leave me a comment down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!